because we went.
Come here. How are you guys? Huh? It's on. Come here.
We're gonna get there.
Fun bus. Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Sam, we can't barely see Sachi is just like it slowly gets lower and lower.
I was fucking scared.
Oh my god.
I was worse.
Yeah, bro, you were basically fucking hugging at this point. And she couldn't see shit. That's why you head into the wall. No. We just woke up and it's snowing.
Now I wish I were like that.
Oh, are you okay? Sean.
Take a video.
Oh my gosh, yum. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit, that's small. But, oh, look at the little ice bars, ice things that are. Oh, I like that song. Shade, trampoline.
Get away from me.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna put that in.
I already finished.
We're about to go ice skating.
Snowman version?
Yeah, Jack Frost. His name is Jack Frost.
Alright, should we just go?
His name is actually Jack Frost.
Oh my gosh. Let's hold on to the sides first. You got this. You got this, Sam. Sammy! So we just finished ice skating. Where are we going?
Bakery to get some hot chocolate and almond croissants. Yay!
Okay. No, and then after we are going to the ice bar at 5. Cheers. The ice bar. I'm trying to flip it. It's not working. Okay, there we go. Ready. Ready. Yes. Oh my god. We can see outside from here. Look guys, we can see outside. Right there. Like
Yeah,
he's having a moment.
Look at
oh my gosh, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, cheers! So right now we're heading over to the onsen pools. It's like, we have an appointment at 10 p.m. We went for the night one instead of the day one because we can do some stargazing. It's gonna be really cool, hopefully. Never been to this yet. I know, this is so nice. Shit. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see. 2-hour town. So actually, I'm gonna prank Ishan, and I've actually already got some gold. So I already got some, and I'm just gonna put it in the pan while they're not looking. I mean, yeah, I think Sachi and Sam already know, so I'm just gonna prank Ishan. Oh my god, guys, look! Guys, look! I actually got gold.
Holy shit. No, those are just leaves.
No.
Oh no, that's actually gold.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
No.
You guys are not doing it right.
Okay, wait.
Where did you get that from?
In there.
What the?
That's not meant to sink.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Actually?
Wait,
Yeah,
can
look,
you cut it
It
out?
actually is.
You can. Look, try taking it out.
I don't want to take it out. There's so much.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Holy
You can
shit.
buy a mansion.
Wow.
Look, and there's some at the bottom there as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Where did you go for it?
I literally was just right there. You saw me while you guys were looking inside your
Ishan,
car.
I think you need to try
I
it.
literally just got it from there.
Yeah, I think so. To be true.
Plan worked to perfection.
I don't know how to do this.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Did you get anything?
I gotta wash it.
Okay, I'll wash it.
Yeah, wash it.
Why are you guys laughing so much? I swear to God, you guys are lying to me.
How are we lying? It's
Yeah,
literally
how am I
right
lying,
there.
bro? You
yeah.
saw me get it. I was right next to you.
I'm not laughing.
Here you go, Sachi.
You need to swirl it more.
You can have some
bro.
gold.
I'm swirling it. But how do you actually keep it?
Yeah, for real.
How does he keep it?
It's simple.
What's simple?
I pour it back in the bag.
Why would you do that?
Because I actually bought it at the store.
Oh, okay, yeah, I thought so. I thought it was fake.
No, you didn't. You totally fell for it.
Why did you buy it at the store?
To prank you.
Oh.
Because I knew if I pranked you into doing this competition, you'd be keen. And then I was
No,
like,
I wasn't like. I had a feeling.
he had a feeling, everyone.
Sachi
He
is
had a
telling
feeling.
She was laughing the whole time.
It was funny.
You just-
Yo, literally. Okay, so how was this experience?
It was alright.
Good.
She loved it, especially getting her hands wet.
A success.
Success.
It was funny.
Did you enjoy getting pranked?
It was great.
Wait.
Should we do a dance?
Oops, sorry, Sachi. I know, I realized. Oh my god, it spins it straight into Sean's face, like. Yeah, you guys, this ones look like water. Lemonade.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, so right now we're heading up the gondola. We're gonna go to the zip lines and stuff. So, how excited is everyone? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, fam, put a little bit more into it. She's like, yeah. Oh my god.
Apart from the rip-off, yeah.
And you tell us.
This way you're beautiful. We're beautiful.
Whoop.
It's okay, Sean, it's not a race. I'm gonna win.
Wobble. There you go. Put your foot on down for me. Alright. Huh?
I'm moving.